Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious brownies using cocoa powder. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon each of baking powder and salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1/2 cup of melted butter, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. These basic items are all you need for a fantastic treat. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, whisk together your sugar, flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate bowl, gently mix the melted butter, eggs, and vanilla extract. Once both mixtures are ready, slowly combine the wet ingredients into the dry, stirring just until no streaks of flour remain. Pour the batter into an 8x8-inch baking pan and bake at 350 degrees F for 20 to 25 minutes. Patience is key for perfect brownies. After baking, it's crucial to let them cool completely in the pan. This step prevents them from crumbling when you try to cut them and helps achieve those nice, clean edges. For the neatest slices, many bakers find that a plastic knife works wonders. Once fully cooled, you can cut your brownies into 16 squares, or any size you prefer, and get ready to enjoy your homemade treat. Here are a few final tips for your brownie success. Remember not to overbake them. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. Feel free to customize your brownies by adding chocolate chips, nuts, or even a swirl of peanut butter before baking. Also, for more great deals and to check out the smart speaker mentioned, please look at the link in the description below. Store any leftover brownies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cocoa powder brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.